Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. And I wanted to come to you today with this quick video, and I am going to do a quick giveaway. I have two boxes here. Oops, I'm sorry. Two boxes. And they are, you know, the USPS, I guess these small priority mail boxes. And both of these boxes, I already have them all taped up and labeled, and all I have to do is put your name on these. And these are full of face masks and little samples, you know, that I've gotten from Ipsy and so forth. Some of the other boxes, you know, the Allure, all the other boxes that I get with skincare, some primers, things like that, just to fill a box. So I have two boxes here that I'm going to, today is Friday, I think it's the 31st, and this video will come up today, and I'm going to leave this open till Friday, June 14th. So that gives everybody a good 2 weeks to enter. And the rules of the giveaway are always very simple. You just have to be subscribed to the channel. You have to like this video, and you have to leave me a comment down below that you would like to be entered for the giveaway. And there's two boxes, so I will be choosing two people, and two of you will be getting, and I think I'm trying to think how many face masks were in each. Probably about 10 face masks, and then all little samples around the sides just to fill it and tighten it up so that, you know, it doesn't move around. I mean, you can still hear it moving around a little bit, but so we're going to do that. And then just real quick, behind me, there are two bigger boxes. And the one box was for the 750 subscriber giveaway. And because I've had such wonderful comments from all of you and so many people joining the channel, for that giveaway, I'm actually going to draw two winners. So two of you will be receiving the same size box with approximately the same amount of items in it, you know, with the palettes and brushes and blush palettes, just all that kind of good stuff that I had put in my original video for the 750 giveaway. So I will be choosing two winners for that as soon as I hit 750 subscribers, which we are very, very close. And then I have the two giveaways for the sheet mask boxes. So good luck to everyone. I hope everyone enters. And thanks so much for watching. And like I said, don't forget, leave a comment that you want to be entered. And if you can also leave me a way to contact you, whether it be email, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. YouTube is not always a great way to contact people. So if you could do all that and enter, I would love to see everybody enter. These are great giveaways, and it is open to everyone. So anybody that is subscribed to my channel can enter and have the chance to win. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye now.